Hello out there. Thank you for taking time to watch this short video. If you've already signed up for our course, I want to say thank you very much. If you're considering signing up for this course, I also want to say thank you for giving us the opportunity. I want to take a few minutes and set expectations for what is our Lean Six Sigma Green Belt course. What expectations should you have as a student? There are a lot of reasons to invest in Lean Six Sigma training. It teaches problem-solving skills and techniques that drive rapid, sustainable improvements. It provides a structure by which you can build an organizational excellence effort. You can support it or build it. But most importantly, it enables you to make a tremendous impact on the people around you by practicing respect for people, which is one of our core tenets. This results in an actively engaged, motivated, and most importantly, more powerful team. And if you're part of that team, it feels pretty darn good to be part of a high-performing team. At our company, we like to say work doesn't have to suck. We truly believe that, and over the course, we're going to equip you with tools and techniques and methods that can help you reduce the frustration that you and those around you feel at work. So we know that a lot of people work hard and they're trying to do their best, but for whatever reason, things aren't as easy at their job as they could be. They're tiring, they're frustrating, at times they're overwhelming, and sometimes that leaves people to take their work home with them, which is not good, right? The important things in our life is why we work. We work to support our families for the most part. Hopefully you like what you do. I'm blessed that I love what I do. But at the end of the day, work shouldn't be drudgery. It shouldn't be misery. And so through this effort of finding ways to solve and improve problems, you can reduce the amount of frustration that your people feel and thus that they take home from work with them. The Effective Syndicate is a business coaching firm. Collectively, we've got over 100 years of coaching experience across multiple industries and organizations. We work with competitive business leaders who want to take their organizations to the next level. We've all, over the course, gravitated the power of the Toyota production system, which is the gold standard as far as I'm concerned. Lean, as it's also called, focuses on team development through the elimination of waste. And so at the end of the day, you will hear us talk a lot about team and culture and people and buy-in. And it's all connected to having a great process that is derived from the Toyota production system. Our vision is that everybody gets to participate, everyone is involved and engaged, and at the end of the day, that culture and understanding how to problem solve using Lean Six Sigma techniques will make the whole organization better. We will cover Six Sigma tools and principles as part of Lean Six Sigma, including the DMAIC cycle. And we will touch on and cover the basics of statistical analysis. We will not go into great depth on the heavy statistics side of Six Sigma. It's not that we don't believe in that. It is our experience that about 95% of all of the problems in manufacturing you can cover without even messing with any serious statistical analysis. Those tools are incredibly powerful. They're incredibly applicable under certain circumstances. But for what we want to convey to you is, here's the tools that you're going to need tomorrow to go apply this and make your workplace better. At the end of the day, we want you to be more effective right out of the gate. So it's not that we don't buy those, we don't believe in those tools, we don't use those tools. It is that we want clearly to give you the tools and methods that you need right away to be more effective. Secondly, the organizations that do need that heavy statistical approach generally already have it. Okay, they're already running Minitab. They're already collecting massive amounts of data. And in our experience, those organizations, when we engage with them, already have that in place. So if you're working on the basics of problem solving, you're a few years away from needing those tools anyway. So if you're looking for a heavy statistical focused program, in full disclosure, this is probably not the right program for you. We want you to go be effective tomorrow at improving your culture and improving your processes. And we're going to start at the basic level, and we're going to give you the tools that we use 95% of all of our projects. That's our vision for how we built this course, and don't want to mislead anyone on what you're signing up for, what you're not signing up for. Our students will demonstrate proficiency in each of the following areas: Lean fundamentals, Six Sigma fundamentals, A3 8-step problem solving, Advanced Lean and Six Sigma Level 1 course, Basic Statistical Analysis course, and our students will also be leading a project of their own and submit a completed A3 as part of our coaching. And then you'll be required to pass a final exam. If you do all of those things, right, you will become a certified green belt through us. We are certified by the Council for Six Sigma certification. And so you will officially be able to add it to your resume that you are a certified green belt. Our green belts should be very capable of leading a continuous improvement process or project within their own areas, right? From project identification, selection, the problem analysis, project completion, and the sustainment efforts. If someone gravitates towards this, they love it. Okay, 20 years ago I started doing this and I fell in love with it. Then a green belt could probably also do a project in one of their peripheral areas, right? Not necessarily in their own area alone, but in one of the areas that is connected to them. A green belt should be able to effectively lead a team and engage in good problem solving skills and approaches with those teams around them to ensure that the problem is solved or improved, and that the solution is sustained, which is really, really the hard part about all of this. Okay, the tools are pretty straightforward once you get familiar with them and you get used to them. Making sure they stick and stay in place is really the hard part. If you want to develop your operational skill set to increase your contribution to your coworkers and your organization, we would love to have you join us, sign up, become a part of our team, go through the Greenbelt training courses, and reach out and let's have some conversations. We want to help you execute one of your projects. We want to help you complete your A3. We want to give you feedback along the way. And if you get stuck, remember what one of our responsibilities is to remove the barriers. And we're here to help you do all of those things. We'd love the chance to work with you. We'd love the chance to be a part of your journey. So if this sounds like the right course, please sign up and join us. And if not, we wish you the best of luck in wherever you end up. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.